Well, welcome back to my channel, Ashton Drake Live. I'm actually here with baby Kassie. It is so hot today, hot. So it's an inside afternoon. Yes, it is. What? No, yes, it's too hot. Yes, it is, baby Kassie. Yes, it's very hot day. I know, baby Kassie. You want to rub me, mommy? Can I talk? I know. So cute. Yes, it's hot. Yes, it is. I know. You're such a good girl. Yes, she's interrupting, mommy. But like I was saying, no, it's very hot today. It is. So it's been an inside day, and it was about an hour and a half. She woke up from her afternoon nap. I fed her, changed her, all that. She's good. But I think I'm gonna give her a little baby apple juice. What do you guys think? Something cold going down, huh? Would you like that, baby Kassie? Yeah, we're sitting and kind of relaxing, and because yes, like I said, it's inside day. But no, I think I'm going to give her some baby apple juice. Yeah, you're being such a good girl. She's a happy baby. Yeah, Lydia, you want to come along, or do you want mommy put you in the walker? You want to come along? Yeah, but juice. And let her have something cold going down. Let's do that, huh? Okay, well, I got some baby apple juice, and I got a papa. Yeah, I've been giving, if you haven't been noticing, I've been giving babies baby apple juice lately, because with it being so hot. So let's have to, cold go down. Huh, you like that? Yeah, we do have breeze, but don't let that breeze fool you. It is like a dragon. It is. Okay, I've been giving when it's apple juice, the baby apple juice, at least 4 ounces. Because it's, it's baby apple juice. It's not the normal formula. So let's do that, huh, baby Kassie? I bet you would like this going down, huh? Yeah. I think anytime I give them apple juice, they've been loving it. Huh? You're being so quiet. Curry, I'm talking. I'm interrupting mommy. Yeah. Okay, now here's 4 ounces. Now let's let her have a little baby apple juice. I know I'm gonna put that back in the fridge, get it more cold. Huh? Yes. Let's put this in the fridge. Okay. Well, I got baby apple juice. It's nice and cold. I'm sure it's gonna feel good going down. And I did get things to burp, because I do burp them still, even if it's baby apple juice. I got a bib. This is actually the bib that she, just got off. Because I do keep them on after they eat. Here we go. Yeah, I got that bib on. What am I doing? I don't think, seriously, because I formula, of course you have to shake it, but with baby apple juice you don't need to do that. But I did get the cap off. Yeah. Here, baby Kassie. You want some nice cold baby apple juice? Here we go. I bet that feels good going down. Yeah, she had her bottle, her formula, about almost an hour and a half ago. Oh, they're being so hot today. I'm sure that feels good going down. Yeah, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I've been giving babies baby apple juice lately. Yeah, she's just drinking this baby apple juice down. Yeah, I can put in at least 4 ounces with the apple juice, but with the normal formula, they only drink 3. They do. But if they leave with, some of apple juice, it's okay. She almost has this 4 ounces gone. This baby apple juice. She almost has it gone. Oh. Let me see it. Let me see it. That's it. So, put the cat back on. Don't want to lose it. That's so good coming down. Let's get a book. Good girl. That was a fast one. But no, I always double check. I do. Don't need no tummy ache. Good girl. So I can actually get 2 good books. I'm not getting another one. A good one. Okay. Oh, little girl, sit up. Yes, sit up. Okay. Well, it's been a couple hours since you woke up from her nap. Since I changed her diaper last, I think that's what I'm going to do. Give her another clean, fresh diaper on. You're a good girl. Okay. Yes. Okay. Well, from here, I'm going to change this little girl's diaper again. Yes. Get it all nice and clean. Yeah. It's been about 5 minutes or so. I had to go get her clean diaper and wipes. Right here. Yeah, I changed her when she woke up from her nap, but it's been a couple hours since that, so just lay her down and give her another changing. Yeah. There you go. Yes. Okay, well, let's check her diaper. Yes, I know. Mommy's gonna check your diaper again. You're such a good girl. Yes, you are. Oh, I know, baby Kassie. No, it's just wet. Yeah. You just need to try one. What? You tell them. Oh, you done? Okay, well, let's change her little, put a nice clean diaper on her. Just a nice dry diaper on once again. I'm just fastening it. Okay. Let's put the shorts back on. And baby Kassie. Yeah. I actually have to go check the laundry. Yes. So I'm gonna from here I'm gonna put her in the walker when I check the laundry. Yes. She's just a little cutie pie. Okay. This is the walker here, okay? You play with the toys? Here you go. You have that toy? Yes. What do you have? Is that toy? Is that toy? Then you have this toy. Okay, she's being good. I'm just gonna go check the dryer, okay? Okay, little girl? It's just a little cutie pie. Okay. Let's check the baby clothes. Turn on the light right here. Okay, now that I got the light on, yeah, it's kind of dark in this area. But let's check the baby clothes. Yeah, baby cat is being good in the walker. Here's the chance. Oh yeah, they're good. All nice and clean. Once again. Okay. Is that it? That's it. Okay. Okay, but that light's not needed right now. Just needed to see to get the baby clothes. Let's go for the clothes. Got the baby clothes. I figured, yeah, when she's being good in the walker, here's my chance to fold these baby clothes. Yeah, it has her brothers in it. It has all the baby's kind of stuff in it. Yeah, I know how to, this is actually the kind of stuff I do when, they're being good in the swing or the walker or, stuff like that. This is the kind of stuff I do. Make this, or they need oven-made formula again. You name it. But no, they're running out of, summer things. I know I have a lot of summer things, yeah, but a lot of things that they do a lot with need wash and stuff. A beer. And after I fold this, I'll just put it back in the basket. And yeah. Now this little shirt for my outfit, one of the outfits that my mom made. So it has to come, here we go. So they're good on some clothes. It's not like they were out, no. I just noticed, the hamper is getting full. It's time to wash some of these baby clothes. Oh, here comes another bib. They use these a lot. bibs. Well, here's another outfit my mom made. It's a pair of pants. Yeah, because I do keep some nights, well, actually a lot of times, I do, pants, because with the air conditioner on, babies don't move enough to keep warm. Newborns and stuff, they don't move enough. So, it's time to fold it. Okay. So these are nice and folded out. I'm just going to put them right here. Leave them right here. So they're nice and good. Let's check on baby Kassie. Baby Kassie! Mommy's coming for laundry! You want to go outside with me for 1 second? The Bandit needs to go potty. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'd let him go. He's over there going potty. Yeah, there he is. Yeah, I've been usually, because with it being so hot, I've been coming outside lately. I don't know if you guys noticed, and just waiting. I don't take the chance of forgetting him. That's my thing. It's too hot to forget, any dog. What? Well, I know it's hot, huh? Yes. The Bandit needed to go potty. Yes, he did. Yes. I know. And you were good playing in the walker? Oh, I know. She's such a good girl. Yes, you are, baby Kassie. Are you done, Bandit boy? Yeah, good boy. You want to say hi, little for a second? Bandit. There he is. Yeah, he's ready to go inside. He's done. But no, we'll see you inside from here. Yeah, it's too hot. He's done. Okay. Well, it's been 10 minutes or so? Yeah, I want to try to get this little girl to take another nap. Yeah. Huh. She's been up a while. Yeah. Yes, she has. Yeah. I did get her a blanket in the walker. Yeah. But it's too hot to do stuff really outside today. It's just too hot. Oh, little girl. Huh. Wanna lay down? Yeah. Mommy rock you? Yeah, see, this would be the perfect time to go outside and rock her in my mom's rocking chair, but it's just too hot. Too hot to rock her outside. So yeah, my mom's rocking chair right now is out of the question. That's why, if you notice, I took when he told me he had to go potty. Because I go out. I don't take a chance of forgetting him. It's just too hot. So here you go potty, and then you end up forgetting. So I usually go out and I wait. She had a little, fun time in the walker when I got the laundry out of the dryer and folded it. Again, that's what I do when they're still being good, and like in the swing or the walker or something, when they're still being good. That's my time to, okay, I need to do this, or I need to do this, make more already made formula, stuff like that. So when I knew she was being good in the walker, and I was just folding the clothes. There's a reason for that. Her eyes are closed. So when I'm thinking of it, the bib's coming off. and forget about it. No, I always take them off. Nap time and bedtime. But no, she was being too quiet. And she just her head relaxed on my shoulder. Yeah, when it's too loud, too noisy, those kind of days, it's hard to, go to a rocking chair and rock them to sleep. So there's times that I lay on my bed and they get to lay with mommy, and I pat, the back and stuff, and they eventually fall asleep when it's too loud down here. Kind of fixing this is right now. And if the AC is going, it is. I wanna fix that where her little legs don't get, cool. And I'd have the fan going as well. Okay, it's been 20 minutes later? She was falling asleep on my shoulder. You guys seen that? Yeah, she's out. I think I'm just enjoying this moment because again, only was little once. But I'm gonna go time to lay her down, let her have her a nap, and when she wakes up, I'll feed her, a bottle of formula, not apple juice. But no, I hope you enjoyed baby Cassie's afternoon. But no, I guess I'll something here. No, like this video, hit that notification bell so don't miss a video once it's uploaded. If you want to show any of the videos, I don't mind. But no, I guess it goes from here. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that bell. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye.